Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you been searching for AutoHotkey for Mac but could not find an official macOS version? You are not alone. AutoHotkey is one of the most powerful automation tool available, but it's designed exclusively for Windows. The good news is that you can still run AutoHotkey on your Mac using crossover without installing a full copy of Windows. In this video, I will show you exactly how to install AutoHotkey on macOS using crossover. First, download the crossover. Just open the browser, search for crossover for Mac, then press enter. Now you will see here the official website. Click on it, then choose macOS. Now just scroll down, click on free trial, and again here just enter your name, the mail ID, and then click on download trial now. I have already downloaded the crossover, so I am not going to install it again. Install it first. Now let's install the AutoHotkey. First open your crossover. You can see here on my launchpad. Now click on try now. Now you can see here at the bottom install. Click on it. Now at the right side you will see install an unlisted application. Okay, click on it. Now you have to install the exe file of AutoHotkey. Just open your browser and search for AutoHotkey download. Then press enter. Now you can see here the official website. Click on it. Now check this box, verify you are a human. Now you will redirect to the website. Now click on download button. Now just select download version 2.0. Then click on allow. The download is successfully completed. Now let's install the AutoHotkey. Now here you can see two details. Now we have to approve this. First, you need to provide the installer file or disk in order to install this software using crossover. Just simply click on edit. Now just select the exe file which we have downloaded. Then click on choose installer. Now let's come to the second detail. You need to select the bottle to install this software into. Okay, we have to create one bottle. Just click on edit. Now give it a name. I will give it a short form of AutoHotkey, AHK. Then click on done. And then you can see here the install button. Simply click on it. And that's it. Let the installation be done first. Wait for this process to be finished. Now you can see here the AutoHotkey setup. Just select the directory and now click on install. The installation process is started. Click on OK. Now just simply close this. Now you can see here AutoHotkey. Click on OK. Now let this installation be done first. That's it. It is completed. Now you can see here the AutoHotkey dash application is installed. Just simply double click on it. Now you can see here the interface of AutoHotkey. Now from here you can create your script and the shortcuts you can make from here. Running existing hotkey from here and all the process. Windows spy, compile, help files, launch setting, editor setting, everything. Now let's know some common limitations. There are few important limitations to understand. Because AutoHotkey is running through crossover, some keyboard shortcuts may behave differently. Global hotkeys may not always work outside the crossover environment. Scripts that control Windows only software won't work unless that software is also running in crossover. Performance may vary depending on your Mac model and macOS version. For basic scripting and testing, crossover works well. Okay? And that's how you can use AutoHotkey on your Mac using crossover. Although there is no official macOS version of AutoHotkey, crossover allows many users to run their Windows version without installing a complete Windows operating system. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.